Turkish veteran journalist Tunç Akok has said the Communist Party of China plays a decisive role in China's rapid development. Visiting different provinces in China many times, Akok has witnessed great changes in the country.
I think it is a great achievement to develop a strong leadership in such a large geography and in the most populous country in the world and in such a multicultural society. The biggest success is the elimination of poverty, of course.
Akok also praised the CPC's health policy, which always safeguards people's health.
The CPC leadership has had considerable success in both the fight against poverty and the pandemic, because it has unified the entire society behind the single objective.